Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making Nutter Butter Cookies. For our cookie ingredients, we have flour, baking soda, salt, unsalted sweet cream butter, light brown sugar, peanut butter, egg, vanilla extract, and a half a cup of sugar. To make the cookies, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You want to line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Pour your half a cup of sugar in a bowl and set aside. You want to whisk together your flour, your baking soda, and your salt in a mixing bowl and set aside. Using a mixer, you want to cream together your butter, your brown sugar, and your peanut butter. Add your egg and vanilla and continue to mix. You want to gradually pour dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix until combined. For our peanut butter filling, we have butter, peanut butter, powdered sugar, whole milk, and vanilla extract. All our ingredients will be down low. For your peanut butter filling, using a mixer, beat your butter on medium speed until fluffy. Mix in peanut butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and milk and vanilla extract. Gradually mix in the remaining of your powdered sugar until smooth. You want to divide the dough into small balls about 1 inch in diameter. Form each ball into a log shape, then roll into sugar. Place logs on the cooking sheet about 2 inches apart. Using a fork, you want to make a crisscross pattern in your dough. Then you want to pinch the middle of the cookie to make a peanut shape. You want to bake about 10 to 12 minutes until lightly brown on the edges, but still soft in the center. Group the baking cookies into pairs, then scoop 1 tablespoon of filling on the bottom cookie for each pair. Place the second cookie on top of the filling to create a sandwich. You have created Nutter Butter Cookies. Thank you for choosing our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.